Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei P30 Pro. Today I'll show you how to change Google Assistant language. Firstly, open Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Tap on Google Assistant and now tap on Languages. Select up to 2 languages. Tap on your language and select from list. And now you've got new languages for Google Assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.